Hi, welcome back to today's more report on Monday the 1st of June with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Tech Markets. I'm going to look at cable now, and we've just had the UK PMI manufacturing data out, and it's disappointed, and subsequently cable has sold off. The strength to the downside has been quite significant actually, and it sort of continues this sequence now. We had 6 days of bearish candles, although Friday was a slightly less bearish, less bearish due to the fact that it was a down day, but yes, it closed around about the midpoint of the day. But today we've had that pressure again growing to the downside. This is the hourly chart, and I was getting interested in my morning report because I was saying that we could potentially be sort of building a bit of a consolidation, but I said be careful because you've still got the 55-hour moving average providing the basis of resistance. This red line here, you've still got all the RSI and the MACD lines on the hourly chart providing sort of in negative configuration. And what we've seen is that in the last 2 or 3 hours, they're sharply falling in decline again, consolidation breaking down. We've broken now below the 52.34 support that we had in place. Now we've breached that. It certainly seems as though any rallies in this cable chart still seem to be selling off, seen as a selling opportunity. You've just had the MACD lines crossing over negatively again, so that might now induce a few more hours of selling pressure on cable, but certainly the downside pressure is still strong in this cable chart, and it looks, I think, ultimately as though we're going to be pulling back towards this 50.88 key reaction low from the May low. The next level you need to look out for is 51.89, because that is the 50% retracement of the big rally. So that level is 51.89. So you need to watch out for that. That could well be around about sort of where you see a bit of consolidation. It could be, and I'm not saying it will be, but that is a possibility. You might see some consolidation around that, so keep that in mind. But certainly the momentum indicators on the daily chart very negative. RSI falling away below that May low on both stochastics and RSI. So that would suggest the chances are you're sort of the bulls. Well, certainly the bulls have lost control, but certainly the selling pressure is growing now, and you could well see a test of that low. Bearing in mind that we're now into a 7th negative candle in a row, you might get a little bit of a bounce at some stage, but I'd still see any bounce as a chance to sell, and I would say that that would be pulling pressure towards that 50.88 level. So again, we're negative on cable, and no real signs of this selling pressure stopping anytime soon yet. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you again later.